Earth Day is coming.
It's time to think that what can we do?
So he knows how to do this.
How can we protect our environment?
How can we protect our animals?
Mark.
How can we change things?
Do you like drinking clean water?
The Earth does not belong to us.
We belong to the earth.
You all know what we need to do.
Recycle,
Reduce.
Reuse.
compost,
I love it. Fantastic.
Be careful with your water.
protect the bees. Bzzz.
Plant a tree.
Don't use the insecticides.
We can send this video.
Bring your own bags when you do shopping for the grocery store.
One person doesn't make a difference alone.
We make a big difference together.
Come on, you're almost there.
We are the MacDonald High School.
Nature Club. Earth Day is coming. Get ready for the Mr. Earth Day.
Yes!
I like that energy, man. I like that energy. All right.
And I can't control myself
Oh,
laughing.
yeah.
Well, happy Earth Day to all of you guys. Keep recycling.
Yes.
Ride your bike, walk.
Happy Earth Day, Mac High.
Happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day. Nice to see you guys. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day!
So happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day. Take a bike.
Happy Earth Day!
Woo! Nice.
You didn't tell me that.